What's up, everybody? I'm Malika Andrews. I'm here with AT&T at the NBA Draft presented by State Farm. And today I am so excited. We're meeting up with our dream winner to find out what it's like to live a day in the life of an NBA draftee.
Well, ladies, welcome to Brooklyn. So where did the love of basketball start?
It started for me with my grandfather. We would watch the draft every year. I'm looking at the TV and I'm like, oh my goodness, is there a tear coming out of his eye? I knew that it was because the emotion in that moment really touched his heart.
The dream come true. I'm excited for the players and their families.
This is just so surreal to me. And this isn't my first time working with AT&T. I was one of the inaugural Rising Future Makers. So AT&T has a special place in my heart.
And now at the NBA Draft, going from a future maker to experiencing the future of the NBA.
Yes.
All right, are you ready to go to your workout with Chris?
I'm so ready. I can't wait.
Caitlin, how you doing?
Nice to
Chris,
meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You're getting a bunch of really cool gifts. This is like my favorite phone. Is the Pixel 8 Pro.
One for mom too.
Here we go.
Thank
my
you.
favorite WNBA players' sneakers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
AT&T has just done such an amazing job with everything. This entire experience is just surreal. So surreal.